What's up guys, David here. I'm gonna film like a quick video today, but it's not gonna go out today. Probably gonna go out in the next week or so. But right now I am heading to the gym. I have my banana here. This is what I eat real fast before. And then we gotta do some running around town, so I'll take the camera along with me. And we also need to wash the car, and I'm supposed to be going to Topgolf with some friends. So yeah, just want to film. Just felt like it. Got to the gym. I'm gonna go ahead, work out. It's leg day. I usually do like a pull push routine, so it's pull push legs, and then like a rest day. So I'm going to do legs, and then I might put a little spread sheet where it has all my workouts and what I did, and then we'll go about the rest of the day. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, just finished the workout. On my way home now. About to go shower, eat, take my protein, BCAAs and all that, and then I gotta clean my car and send out a package, and I'll probably link up with Amir and Adam in a little bit. So yeah, I'll see you guys later tonight when I find more stuff to do. Okay, bye. What is up guys? So it has been some time later. Right now I am on my way to pick up Amir, and then we're gonna link up with the rest of the boys and head to Topgolf and have a fun night. And then we'll probably get something to eat a little after, and that's where I'll really end the vlog. As you can see, we're in a different setting. I didn't actually I filmed when I cleaned my car, but I did it on a separate video, so you guys will see that on another time. I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload that yet, but yeah, let's get on the road. Who showed up? It's my twin brother.
My jawline.
Where did it go? You left it home. You forgot to put it on. But we're waiting for the rest of the crew, and then we're gonna hit up Topgolf and have a fun night.
Yep.
What are we eating?
We eating good, bro.
We eating good. But yeah, I'll film when we get at Top. Boys just got here. We got Adam.
Yo, what's good?
Amir, and we call him Pocahontas.
The one and only boys. What's up?
So we about to figure out what we want to do, and then very likely it's gonna be Topgolf, and then head there, and then I'll continue filming. We'll get some shots in. You guys will see how bad I am, and you know, we'll get lit.
Nah, dude, you gotta put it all the way up. You have to put it all the way up.
But yeah. So I'll see you guys over there. Just made it to Topgolf. It is crazy right now. We just got the lineup, check the squad, but it is crazy. Like there's a ton of people out just like waiting to go in. I don't even know. Yo, is there like a capacity limit?
Obviously not. Obviously not.
There's so many people.
The line's still out.
Well, look at that.
People parking like on the car.
They're still walking in too. Alright, so what's plan B?
Say if the go up.
Scout out baddies real quick.
If the wait is long.
If it's like a 30-minute wait, then that's no problem. I don't think that's a big deal.
You like call up the
The problem is if it rains, bro.
That's true.
Oh, it's out.
Are we salt? But no, that's true though. If it storms, then mini golfing is like shut down. Okay, let's check it out first, and then let's make a decision. Okay, we're about to head in and see the wait time. All right, guys. So we got a spot. It is gonna be a 30-minute wait, but nevertheless, we're playing some golf. So we're gonna go back to the cars and chill until they text us. And I don't know how well you guys can hear us, but we're about to start the game, and then I'll update you guys at the end on who won and who sucks. All right. Adam, there's no ball.
I know.
something happened. Check it out.
It was a good content.
Yo! It is skirming. Everyone's like half soaking wet right now. And they literally shut the game down. But I mean, you can still play. It's not scoring nothing. But yeah, the points right now is that I'm not winning. If you guys do.
I was the first.
Oh, wait for it. Alright, what's up guys? So we're now heading to Buffalo Wild Wings. Just got done at Topgolf. Basically, Amir got first. We're like tied because we both got like 28. Yeah, and then he came last. The thing was that he was first. And he's last now. So we're gonna get something to eat and then head home.
A few moments later.
Here we got the C63S over there. Let's see who wins.
And we have a limited edition.
We have the TRD Camry. We have this on our side, but then we have the bi-turbo-ness on this side. He might pull away. He might pull away.
He's gonna pull, bro.
TRD Camry winning the race. We left the C63 in the dust.
Dude, the C63 what? Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's V6 TRD versus that thing over there. TRD leaving him in the dust. TRD let go because he knew he would win.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, what's up? I messed up. So I realized after editing both my videos, I did not end any of it. I had a vlog that was gonna go out, and then I had a workout video. So I'm filming this video, and this is gonna go on both of them, which is just a blooper, because one of the videos you guys are gonna see, and then the next one is gonna be for another week until you guys see that one. So that's something that you guys can look forward to. But I didn't end it, so I'm ending it right now. So if you guys liked the video, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys. Also guys, I want to thank you all for all the support that you guys been giving to us and the channel. We've been growing tremendously throughout the time that we've been spending on YouTube, and we continue to appreciate all the feedback that's been given, all the likes, all the comments. Let us know what you guys want to see. And then also, if you guys want to see videos that we posted in the past that you might not have seen, always visit the channel. I have a lot of stuff that I'm planning on releasing, and then we're working on an intro and an outro and a few other stuff that I have in the lines. All right, thank you guys.